Hi everyone, it's Elena here. In today's video, we are diving into the basics of prop styling. I've been receiving a lot of emails lately with questions about how to get started with prop styling, and I thought it would be perfect to answer in a video. To make it as helpful as possible, I'm going to give you a tour of my home studio, and I'll show you the props and equipment I use for prop styling and explain why each piece is important. So let's get started. Lighting is very important in prop styling, and here's how I manage lighting in my space. I'm fortunate to have 3 windows in my studio, which allow a lot of natural light to flow in. Natural light is incredibly valuable for creating soft, flattering images and enhances the elegance of the props I use. On a rainy day when natural light is limited, I rely on my 2 light stands. They help brighten up my props and make them look their best. I use them to mimic natural light as closely as possible, often adjusting the angle to achieve the desired effect. Balancing natural and additional lighting helps me to maintain consistency and quality in my prop styling work, regardless of the weather conditions. A reflector is another key element I use in prop styling. It helps to control shadows, bounce light onto the props, soften harsh shadows, and illuminate areas that might otherwise be dim. By reflecting light, you can achieve a more balanced and flattering look, highlight the details and textures of your props. Reflectors come in various sizes and colors. I use 2 reflectors in my studio, a large one 72 by 42 inches and a smaller 20-inch reflector, both of which I purchased on Amazon. If you are interested in checking them out, you'll find the links in the video description. Backdrop is another fundamental element in prop styling and should be one of the first props you invest in. It provides a clean and consistent background for your props. It's easy to set up and use. It also allows you to quickly switch up your style and color scheme. For beginners, I recommend buying one backdrop in a soft, bright, neutral color and another in a darker tone or with a pattern. 2 or 3 backdrops will cover a range of styling needs. I bought mine on Etsy. In the video description, there is a link to one of my favorite Etsy stores for backdrops. There you can find a range of high-quality vinyl photo backdrops. A backdrop stand is another important element in my studio. It allows me to easily hang and secure the photo backdrop, or a fabric, ensuring it stays smooth and free of wrinkles. Many background holders come with adjustable features, allowing you to customize the height and width of your backdrop to fit various styling projects. When it comes to buying or adding props to my collection, I focus on choosing pieces that align with my personal style, which is elegant, soft, airy, and flowy. Besides the main elements I mentioned, I also like to use different fabrics to bring a bit of softness and flow to my setups. I also use papers, magazines, books, and cards with moody photos and inspiring words to add some visual interest and depth. And I also use glasses, caps, and candles. They all add a nice touch of elegance and functionality to my styling. Together, these props really help set the mood and enhance the overall look of my photos. I often buy props from Shein, Amazon, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, or Goodwill. Shein is great for affordable options, while Amazon offers a wide range of props. If you prefer shopping in person, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, and Goodwill are great places to find unique and budget-friendly items. Remember, when shopping, whether online or in-store, keep your style in mind. Look for props with materials and colors that fit your vision or a specific project you are working on. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tour of my home photo studio was helpful. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed about my new videos. Happy styling and see you next time!